Yes, for a goal. Jude Bellingham has equalized for England there. Spike cycle kick against Slovakia there. Yes, the game will be going to the extra time there. This is standing big goal from the Real Madrid star there. He's the star generation talent there. What a piece of goal this is from him. So well, it's a stating was the series updates from her and what a goal, what a stunning piece of goal. This one for England, absolutely wonderful piece of start. So that's it. Stay tuned for the series update. Wonderful. Okay. Yes, so what a goal. This is Slovakia there. They have taken the lead there against England. Ivan Smakez has scored the goal there. Wonderful game this for them. So stay tuned for the latest updates from mine, and there is a stunning piece of goal from it. And what a start, what a key for Slovakia there in the end. Absolutely wonderful to see them performing like that. So that's it. Wonderful day. Take care, and I'll be giving you lots of updates there in the end, as usual there in the end. That's it. Wonderful.